Now, after this second important topic, relationship, let me talk about the third one, which is also very important. Panchada Sambandh. Panchada Sambandh means compound relationship. For example, this is one source and another source equal to common node or common relationship or compound relationship. Okay, first relationship, second relationship, plus first source or one source plus another source, or may say one relationship plus another relationship, second relationship equal to the compound relationship. We can just say, for example, first point, there are 5 types of this compound relationship. Compound relationship is of 5 types. Because of that, in Sanskrit it is known as Panchada Sambandh. We can say Panchada Sambandh means 5 types of relationship. Panchada Sambandh, I have written down that in bracket. Panchada Sambandh, right? In Sanskrit or in Hindi it is known as Panchada Sambandh. Panch means 5 types. 5 types of relationship. What is that? First is friendship plus friendship. If suppose one friend is friend, other is also friend, and they are fast friends, extreme friendship, it's known as Adi Mitra. Both are Adi Mitra. Adi Mitra means actual relation, actual friend, real friends, fast friend. It can be said as fast friend, extreme friend, right? Extreme friendship, one friend, other friend, both are friend. That means this is extreme relationship or extreme friendship. This is known as Adi Mitra. Both are Adi Mitra. For example, moon and sun, Adi Mitra. Moon is friend, sun is friend. Sun, moon is friend. For moon, sun is friend. So moon and sun are Adi Mitra. In this way we remember them, right? So which are Adi Mitra or extreme friend. So one friendship, other friendship, and 2 planets having this kind of relationship. Suppose both are friend, that means they are extreme friend or extreme relationship they are having. That means they are Adi Mitra. In Sanskrit this is known as Adi Mitra. Third point, second point, neutrality. Suppose one is neutral, one planet is neutral, other is friendship. So what kind of this relationship is? This is friendship only, simple friendship. This is mitrata, right? Mitra, friendship. If one is neutral, other is friend, that means the 2 planets will be friend. Neutrality doesn't affect the friendship. This is neutrality and friendship is equal to friendship only. This is known as mitra, right? They are simply mitra. They are simply friends. This is friendship. One is neutral, other is friend, that means friend. This is second type of relationship. Second type of relationship. This is so 5 types of relationship with this. Third type is when enmity plus enmity means both planets are enemy. For this planet, other is enemy. For other planet, the first is enemy. For example, enemy, let me take. For Mars, right? Mercury is enemy. For Mercury, okay, this is not there. Let me take another Jupiter. For Jupiter, let me take Saturn and Sun. For Sun, Saturn is enemy. Saturn and Venus are enemies. So for Sun, Saturn is enemy, right? For Saturn, Sun is enemy. This is Sun, right? Sun, Moon and Mars are enemies, but Saturn, Sun and Saturn both are extreme enemies, right? Extreme relationship. That is known as Adi Satru. Adi Shatru. Shatru means enemy. They are extreme enmity. Both are having extreme enmity. For Sun, Saturn is enemy. For Saturn, Sun is enemy. So both are having what kind of relationship? Extreme enmity, or they are extreme enemy, right? Or both are having extreme enmity. Extreme enmity, that means Adi Shatru they are. So in Sanskrit this is known as Adi Shatru, right? Adi Mitra, Adi Shatru. When both are friend, Adi Mitra. Both are enemy, Adi Shatru. Or Adi, extreme enemy or extreme enmity both are having. They are extreme enemy or extreme enmity. extreme friendship they were having. Okay, this is what the friendship, or friendship plus friendship, extreme friendship, right? And then enmity plus enmity equal to extreme enmity. That means adishatruta or adishatru, both planets are adishatru. Then neutrality plus enmity again. This is enmity, simply enmity. Okay, neutrality plus enmity. Neutrality, suppose one planet is neutral, other is enemy, so both are enemies then. Okay, so finally result is enemy. They will give result of enmity type, right? Both are enemy. So this is enmity, shatru. So in this way, satruta or satruta is there, or both are satru, both are enemy. Okay, so enmity will be there between those two planets. This is the fourth type. Neutral plus enmity means enmity only. Second is enmity plus friendship. If suppose one planet is enemy, other is friend, so they are neutral. Then the result is neutrality. This is known as neutral or sum. They are sum, not enemy, no friend. They are sum, in between. They are means they are equal. Their neutrality is there. Okay, they are parallel. We say parallel or sum. Sum means equal. There is no enmity, there is no friendship. That means enmity plus friendship equal to neutrality, right? Neutrality or neutral, both are neutral, both are same, or sum. This is known as sum. Sum word is in Hindi word, Sanskrit word is sum. Sum means equal, same. They are having no relationship, neither in enemy nor friend. So they are neutral. This is neutrality is there. So those two planets are neutral. For example, how they say neutral? Let me take Venus and Mars. Mars is neutral for Venus, right? For Mars, Venus is neutral. Here Venus is neutral. Venus and Saturn both are neutral for Mars. But here Venus is having Mars and Jupiter as neutral. So for Mars and Venus both are neutral, right? Mars and Venus both are neutral. This is how for Mars Venus is neutral, for Venus Mars is neutral. So neutral plus neutral equal to simply equal, means neutrality, right? Both are neutral. This means same relationship is there, some relationship there. Here neutral means neutral doesn't mean, but here enemy plus friend, this is the fifth type. Let me take enmity and friendship. One is enemy, other is friend. For example, let me take Mercury and Moon, right? For Moon, Mercury is friend. Here Mercury is friend, right? For Moon, Mercury is friend. But for Mercury, where Mercury, Moon is enemy. Try to understand. For Moon, Mercury is enemy. For Moon, Mercury is friend here. For Moon, Mercury is friend. But for Mercury, Moon is enemy. So this is enmity plus friendship. Friendship plus enmity. This is friendship here. Moon with Mercury having friendship. For Moon, Mercury is friend. But for Mercury, Moon is enemy. This is how enmity plus friendship equal to neutral. So it means both are having neutralship. The result will be neutral, not negative, no positive, but neutral, in between, right? So this is how they have to be. This is Panchada, Maitri or Panchada type of relationship, compound relationship. 5 types of relationship. Panchada, Sambandh. Okay, in Sanskrit it is known as Panchada, Sambandh, or 5 types of relationship. Now what is the use of this, right? All these 3. So if we know the relationship among the planets, and suppose a planet is placed in a person's horoscope in particular sign, in which degree we have to understand up to which degree it is lying, what is the longitude of that planet, at which degree it is lying, right? In that particular sign, is this sign his own sign, is having neutral sign, or in which sign this planet is having. Okay, and suppose a planet is lying in another sign. Suppose Mercury is lying in Moon's sign. Okay, for example, Mercury, Moon is enemy. For for Moon, Mercury is friend, but for Mercury, Moon is enemy. If Mercury is lying in Cancer sign, Moon sign, so Mercury is not comfortable in this sign. The result will be not so positive because Mercury is lying in Cancer sign, but Cancer is owned by Moon, so Mercury is not placed in a proper manner, or is not feeling comfortable, we may say. Is not feeling comfortable means the result will be not so much positive. Okay, because its result, Mercury's result in Cancer sign will be not positive but neutral type, means is not comfortable in that sign. So this is how the results are being seen. Okay, so if suppose both are friends, if Moon is lying in Leo sign and Sun is lying in Cancer sign, both are fast friend, so very good. If Sun is placed in Cancer sign in 4th sign, Moon is friend to Sun, both are extreme friend, both are fast friend, both are Adi Mitra. That means they will feel very comfortable. Result will be very good. Okay, so if Sun is lying in Cancer sign or in Moon is lying in Leo sign, both are good results giving. Okay, results will be better one. This is how the Adi Mitra point is. So Adi Mitra or extreme friend, both are, or they are having extreme friendship. This 5 types of relationship is important. Please just note down this. All these 3 things are very important. This relationship, natural relationship, I have talked about already. So this is to be noted down. These 3 are very basics, very fundamentals. Okay, with the help of only these things, we understand astrology, Vedic astrology in a better manner. Okay, and if the results are seen in a horoscope, first is data must be 100% correct. After casting the horoscope, and casting of horoscope must be exact one, accurate one. It doesn't mean that you have placed the planet in a particular sign which is not its own sign, you have calculated that, or exact calculation is not done, because calculation of finding the placement of particular planet, first ascendant is to be calculated. Where is the proper ascendant? If ascendant is just negative, is not properly calculated, is wrongly done, that means your horoscope cast is not good. Casting of horoscope is not done in a better manner, so the horoscope will be changed then. So the result will be of different kind. Whatever you are predicting, that prediction may be wrong in that way. So first thing is casting of horoscope, we'll talk about later. I'll take that finally when we understood all the basics, fundamentals, then I'll take how to calculate the degrees of casting of horoscope. Right? First ascendant, how to calculate. After ascendant, what is the moon's exact time, and timing, according to time, exact longitude of a planet is to be calculated. Suppose we are given in a the transit of planet is given in the ephemeris. Ephemeris means in English it is known as ephemeris. Ephemeris means timetable or longitude, latitude. The planets are given in a particular book. That book is known as ephemeris in English. So ephemeris or Panchang is known as in Hindi. Okay, in Sanskrit or in Hindi, this known as Panchang. Okay, that in Panchang longitude, latitude the planets are given. Those longitudes are given of a particular time. Suppose at 5:30 a.m. all these longitudes of planets are given in an ephemeris or in a Panchang, right? At 5:30 mostly, 5:30 of morning time. So that is degree of that planet of 5:30 time. And suppose the person is born in the afternoon, at night, or in the daytime, whatever time, other than 5:30, then actual degree is to be calculated of that particular planet. That degree is then maybe more than that 5:30 or is lesser than, because planet is retrograded, then its degree will be lesser than what at 5:30 it is. Okay, and it will be more if suppose a person is born in daytime at 2:30, 5:30, 6:30, whatever evening time, for example, PM time, but at 5:30 morning time, the longitudes of the planets are given in ephemeris. So that we have to just find the difference. Then difference degrees to be added up or subtracted. That we will take later. Okay, then